to officially become a royal. Now, to all my loyal royals that are back, I hope all is good, like it should, could, hood, would. You get started. Yes, I am. So, as you can see with the title, I'll be showing you how I go from my Bantu knot protective style to this curly curl right here. So, if you're interested to see how I got this look, keep watching and we'll get straight to the video. Action!
Are you down with it? Go ahead, get loud with it. Like you surround with it. On top of that say yeah. Down with it. Are you down?
So the products that I'm going to be using include Eco Styler Gel, olive oil, a spray bottle, a white tooth comb and a tip, a rat tail comb, and an edge brush. First thing that I'm doing is I'm just applying olive oil to my scalp, and then I'm just going to massage that in. So next I'm just going to be applying that same olive oil to my hands, so that way whenever I start to take my Bantu knots out, it does not get frizzy. The next thing you want to do is just take out all of your rubber bands and all of your hair ties that are holding the Bantu knots into place. And once you do that, you want to gently unravel and untwist the Bantu knots without pulling them apart. Now that you completed that step, you just want to take your spray bottle and just spray a little bit around your whole head. So next you want to go ahead and start breaking apart your Bantu knot curls. So when pulling them apart, be very gentle, so that way it's not getting really frizzy and stuff like that. So you can see how I'm doing here. I'm just being very gentle, and I'm just pulling apart and separating the Bantu knot curls. And so all you want to do is just undo the twist that you did whenever you were first doing the Bantu knots, as you can see I'm doing right here. Taking my pick and picking out my roots just to make the hairstyle look a little bit more full. And you kind of want to do the same thing with the white tooth comb. As you can see, I'm doing right here. And you kind of just keep doing this step until you start to see how you want the hairstyle to look. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just going to go ahead and do my edges. So I have my edge brush right here and my Eco Styler Gel. Now what I'm going to do is just shake my hair, and this helps with just giving that like natural look. Once I finish shaking it, I do kind of, put the curls back into place that I see kind of look crazy. But yeah, other than that, that's it.
It should, could, would, you wrap it up. Yes, I am. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Remember to be you, stay beautiful, and I will see you next week. Cut.
Down with it. Are you down with it?